In this support video, we will be demonstrating how to do a door reversal for the wine cooler model 6628-24S. Always best to disconnect the unit. Remove the plastic caps on the left side of the unit. Remove the plastic cap from the upper hinge cover. While holding the door, loosen the screws and remove the upper hinge. Lift the door and take it out from the lower hinge. Place the caps at where they were previously removed on the right side. Unscrew and remove the lower hinge and door pin. Remove the two screws on the left side of the lower hinge. Remove the two rubber caps. Keep the caps for later. Use the screws from the left side to screw in the right side of the unit. Careful not to over-tighten. Take the lower hinge for the left side from the accessory bag and transfer the rubber gasket. Install the lower hinge on the left side of the unit. Flip the door 180 degrees and put it onto the left side lower hinge. Align the door. Place the upper hinge, but do not fully tighten the screws until the door is level. Place in the rubber caps and the installation is complete.